Natay na yung iba.
Yeah.
Every Saturday, magpalit naman, i-replace naman sa maliliit, mag-start naman sa maliliit.
Pero growers lang kayo, hindi kayo nag-breed, no? So growers lang. Now that becomes more lucrative because you grow your own feeds.
Yeah.
Kung maka-generate ka ng own feeds mo, like... Pero self-generating kayo.
Ito ang pan ko lang i-picturean mo to ang piggery. Kaya magpapagpantan.
So wala na kayo
Nag-video ko. Nagkuha ko.
The whole
For
area.
example, ang rice brand, sa farmers din na gamit.
So this is where the methane gas is used. Actually, dito sa may buko, amo na pwede na siya nagay. Dito ikot ang mga buko. Ayan. Ayan ang gas. And it goes directly to this one. And there's microbial activity within a week. Then it goes directly to those pipes that can service yung kitchen, what else? Even the coffee shop there in front. So it's good. Now this other one naman, they called it I don't know what they call it, but they put the tanglad in here. Then nagadabok sila or set fire onto it. Then of course the tanglad will produce its steam together with the oil. It goes up to that tube, goes down here. That's what they call the separator. Of course water goes down. And
in one day siguro,
oil, syempre, would be afloat. So water goes out here and then there you go, you have voila, oil.
Magkano ginastos dito sa housing nyo na yan?
Yung biogas, nasa 65,000. Kompleto na lahat. Mga pipings. Ang sa structure na, kasi bago lahat yan, sa 85, kasama na yung labor.
Kasama na yung labor, tsaka yung roofing and everything.
Mga, including biogas, siguro 150,000.
There you go. For the housing and the biogas,
Biogas,
about
everything,
150,000
including
all in.
labor. 150 all in for that structure. Yung biogas where the manure are being
Kahit hindi na yung piping.
Magkano?
150
For the whole...
for the whole.
Baboy. 20 heads.
Pero pag may mga materials din kayo na parang
Pwedeng gamitin,
pwede kami parang mga junk shop. Kasi pag bago, mahal.
You can just lessen it from their total.
So, but if you're starting from scratch,
Kahit kawayan na lang, or mga tabo.
pwede rin yun.
Importante yung sa ilalim yun ng
Cemento, concrete.
Ilalim na lang, The housing and above, pwede na
Sunod na may profit ka, hindi mo nang
Then you have your biogas to answer for your cooking needs.
How deep is it?
So there's a well down
6 to
there.
12 meters.
Huh? There's a well,
That well.
dug well.
Okay, so there's a dog well.
Instead na timba, mas pantay.
Rope well.
Rock pump.
Rope pump. Makadag ka to.
And iniyan the usual bumba. Doon mo na.
Community pump.
Sige, tito ne.
Okay.
Oh.
Ako pa ni Masol.
Mabigat?
Oh, it's relatively easy.
A child can do this. Gusto mo pang lagyan dito, lagyan mo ng bisikleta pa dito, mag-bike ka na lang eh.
Actually.
Less expensive.
Tapos simple.
How much will it cost you sa inilang assistant?
Lahat, 5,000.
Wala labot ang works
Start
talo,
ang digging.
ang digging ha. Ano with cement, ang dig mo?
Oo, kaya
Ilang
medyo
hectare
ano
na?
yung swampy na ding area.
Ginbut dagdagan yung pipes.
Panang din ang pilit sang wall sang
But then again,
tagwil
you
din
have
ano
a
din
ramp pump
kunan
again
sa
with that.
Cement lang.
And then if you have
all culvert
the
pwede
ramp
man.
pump,
Or culvert pipes. Pipila na kustaran.
Ang inilang siya 5,000.
Oo. Then,
Ang
extra yung clothing nini.
kanan na lahat
5,000. Kita na lang yung mapa-suggest sa yung cost.
may pipe pa ni siya.
Get the ramp up.
yeah, you don't need this if you have the ramp pump.
Please get the ramp up.
Yun yung sa pinakakwanan.
Kung may there's an existing well,
You want to put it in that
Tapo na
well that you
dali.
have.
Oo, lagi na propose nila.
Sige, sige ano siya.
but if you have the ramp pump coming from the
Kung irang pump na yan, irang pump na yan.
No, no, no. You don't need. I mean, it's nice for show.
Oo, dyan lang sa akong dyan sa
that hydro thing.
Sa may magkabla na yun to. Lagi na propose ko.
May quotation ako magkakanin dito. May quotation ako. Magkano yung quotation?
Ina naman saya.
3,000 lang.
Tapak-tapak.
3,000 per day. How deep would that be?
Look at that. Ah.
20 feet or 25 feet.
25 feet.
Labor yun.
Exercise naman.
O, exercise naman, no. And then, tuni. Oh?
Ito, ang suction pa niya 6 meters. Ito, diba? Ito naman, pan sila, the same. Pero ito
Akyat,
yung
6
natural,
meters.
kaya niya akyat sa doon.
Ah. Busaw mo ng tubig.
Makyat niya.
Priman mo muna.
That's a good exercise. Hold on. Carry on, carry on.
I can feel the pressure of the water.
Kaya.
Yan yung pressure ng water. It's going up.
And once it's full, it's gonna...
And I'm getting tired. I can feel the pressure of the water going up. It's pushing it up.
Yeah.
Ayoko na. I can feel the pressure. You're pushing the water up.
Oh, ayan na siya, oh.
Sulit din siya sa mga baboy din for ano, sa big drinker.
Ah, okay. Ah, yung tangki na yan.
Yan ang ininom ng pan.
Ah, kaya bumababa dito sa pisukuan.
Going there.
Ang gani man. Tapos at least tita, they get to teach pa somebody from that area or sa farm so that at least yung sustain yung ano.
We'll teach him as well, and we'll let them know that we, you know,
Kaya may pass by
that
din.
we dropped by here, and
Ako yung ginakakuhaan mo.
Ha?
Ano ko daw ako yung ginakakamerahan. Video.
Eh, natapos ko na to tanan. I wonder what these are.
take a picture of that